Today's topic is tonsillitis. Tonsillitis is the inflammation of the tonsils caused by viral and sometimes bacterial infection. The tonsils are the two oval-shaped pads of tissues located at the back of the throat. They are composed of tissues similar to the lymph nodes and are part of the immune system. They act as a defense mechanism, trapping germs that could enter the airways and cause infections. This function makes the tonsils vulnerable to infection and inflammation. They also provide antibodies to fight infection. Tonsillitis can occur at any age, but it is common, especially in children. Tonsillitis is rare in adults because the tonsil's immune system function declines after puberty. Recurrent or chronic tonsillitis can lead to complications such as difficulty breathing, tonsillar cellulitis, or an infection that spreads deep into the surrounding tissues, paratonsillar abscess, or an infection that results in the collection of pus behind the tonsil. Causes. Tonsillitis is mostly caused by viruses, but can sometimes be caused by bacterial infections. The condition can be caused by common cold, Streptococcus pyogenes, group A Streptococcus, that causes strep throat. This is the most common bacteria that causes tonsillitis. Epstein-Barr virus. Tonsillitis is contagious. Tonsillitis caused by Streptococcus pyogenes is highly contagious, and tonsillitis caused by Epstein-Barr virus is contagious the first time a person has it. If tonsillitis caused by group A Streptococcus or other strain of Streptococcus bacteria is left untreated, or antibiotics is incomplete, the child is
water. The first thing one needs to do is to take lukewarm water, add half a teaspoon of salt, mix it, and gargle as many times as possible. This helps in providing immediate relief from tonsillitis. 2. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is known to have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric, mix it with a glass of warm milk and a bit of black pepper. Drink this at bedtime. This helps to soothe the tonsils. 3. Neem powder. Take a few pinches of neem powder, turmeric powder, salt, and a glass of water, then boil it for a few minutes. Allow it to cool for a while, and once it's warm enough to be put into your mouth, gargle with it at least 3 to 4 times a day. This will help with the pain relief. 4. Basil. Basil has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, it's known to provide immediate relief from tonsillitis. Boil 10 to 15 basil leaves for about 5 minutes. Strain it and allow it to cool till it's warm enough to drink. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink it 3 to 4 times a day. 5. Bark of babool tree. Babool is known to help fight pain. In the case of tonsillitis, take the bark of babool tree, put it in water, and boil it for a while. Allow it to cool, then strain the bits out of the mixture. Once it's cooled enough to be put in your mouth, gargle with it at least 3 to 4 times a day. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known to have anti-inflammatory properties to reduce swelling and redness. To use it, boil water, add a teaspoon of chamomile tea powder, strain it, and then add a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Drink this tea at least 3 to 4 times a day.